Hi, I'm Brenda Valencia, and I wanted to be able to do a review lesson and a little bit more in depth because many of you were asking about a and an, and therefore having a lesson where I can help explain it to you will be able to benefit you in your growth because there's some certain unique things happening with the sounds of the words that follow a and an. And in trying to work within our lesson the other day, it made it a little bit challenging to try to explain, and you're trying to process. So therefore, I created a lesson here for you. So let's begin. Well, a and an are indefinite articles. And indefinite means it's not specific. It's not really known. It's not like the specific thing, but a and an can be anything that's being referred to. So we can use a and an when we're talking about a thing in general, not a specific thing. So therefore, it's an indefinite articles, and they're used before singular countable nouns. So that's going to be important, not plurals. And that's where a few mistakes were happening because it's easy to misread or misrepresent when there's a plural, like nouns is a plural, to not see it or to not read it. And it's easy to make those mistakes. It happens all the time. But yet a and an is when we're talking about a new thing. It's unknown and it's introduced to the listener or the reader for the first time. And we also use a and an when we are asking about the existence of something. So therefore, in looking at this, a and an is introduced also what type of thing we're talking about. So using those adjectives and adverbs. And if there's an adjective or an adverb that's going to be in combination with the noun that comes and it comes before it, it's going to trigger which one of these is going to be used. And so that's what I want to be able to talk about today. When do we use a and when do we use an? And so therefore, it's going to be based on the first sound. I know as little kids, when I was learning in school, we were basing it on the first letter, consonant or vowel, but that doesn't work. It's the first sound. So let's look at this. A and an. A is going to be used before the consonant sounds, not letters. Usually it is the letter, but it's the consonant sound that's important. An is going to be used before the vowel sounds, not the letters, sounds. So these are the important things to remember. It's the sounds, not the letter. Let's look at some examples of a and an. And we will begin first with a. And therefore, they're singular nouns, and you can see this. A teacher, a tree, a car, a career, a beautiful park, a really good idea. All of these use a because it has the consonant sound in front of that word that's following a. Now we've got sometimes where it's a consonant sound, but it looks really different. We've got the example of a European city. This was the challenge the other day when we had the word European on there. European, European. It's a hard Y sound on there, European. It's not an E and it's the U acting as the Y sound. So a European city. A unique story, unique, not the regular U soft vowel sound. It's going harder. A uniform, uniform. You can hear that Y sound. A one-time vacation. One, has the W sound. It's a consonant, even though it's written as a vowel. I know English does the strangest things, but I am impressed on how you keep persevering. So here are some of the sounds for these items right here these letters and numbers that you would think that would be like a vowel, but it's actually the consonant. U, A, U is being used in a word. J, A J is used in a word. One, the number one, one. And then nine with the N, nine. And therefore, we're going to look at now Ann. Let's look at Ann. It looks like it should be. There's vowels right there, and they make the vowel sounds. And so it's common to look at the letter, but it's going to be the sounds. An excellent job. An excellent job. An actor. An actor. An invitation. Invitation. An invitation. An eagle. An eagle. An outstanding time. Outstanding time. Now here's some sounds that make us think again before we want to do something. It's looking like there are consonants, but it's actually the vowel sound. And then we've got the unique letters and the number down here. An hour, hour. The H is silent. We have some words where the H is silent. An herb garden. In American English, we say this herb as a silent H. An herb garden. An honest mistake. Honest. An honest mistake. And how about these letters? An F is used in a word. An H is used in a word. An R is used in a word. An S is used in a word. And then the number 8. An 8 is used as a number. So therefore, we're going to look at, again, the A in An is very important to use because it's A is before the consonant sound, and An is used before the consonant vowel sound. Not consonant vowel sound. Sorry. It's used before the vowel sound. So it's not based on letters, it's based on the sounds of the words.